first, third, and final step, push your hands like this and side by side. Okay. Wala bang mag-cheer from Urban? Asa ng palakpakan ng mga taga-North? From East. And of course, nag-volunteer from West daw siya. And of course, from South. Okay, sabay-sabay nga tayo. Move your hands like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And roll your hands like this. And push forward, side by side. Are you guys ready? I can hear you. Are you ready? Hoy, isa mo naman si Gabong palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan. Come on, kailangan buhayin natin ang ating mga natutulog na dugo. DJ, hit that play button, please. Wait, dito kayo sa unahan. May prize ha, yung pinakamagaling.